Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix this version of AMD Radeon software you have launched is not compatible with your currently installed graphics driver. Then this is the error for not supported version. Then you will get closer to your step-by-step file to solve your problem. Okay. Then you will click to the display device manager, then click to the display adapter. You will see the graphics driver, then right click to properties. You will click to the driver, then click to the rollback drivers, then click to the this is the your problem. You will click to set it to my set it the my apps do not work with this driver. Then you will click to set it for the yes. Then finally you will click uninstall your device. You will click to set it to get uninstalled. Okay. Then uninstall to you will click to the any Chrome browser get to open to you will see that this is the official website. You will search the AMD graphics driver download. You will search to see the official website. Then scroll down for you see the set it for the graphics. Then set it for the you are using for the version. Then I made example for the AMD Legend R7 series. Then set it to you will set it for the your series. Then see the next set it for your series to R7M460. Get click to submit. Okay. Then submit it to you will set it for the Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, 64-bit. Then you will click to set it to get installed. Okay. Then install it to you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment. Then thank you for watching.